As the sun rises over the ancient pines, the majestic bull elk surveys his territory, his breath visible in the crisp morning air.
Nice and clean now. It's okay, we'll be gentle. You look beautiful.
Lungs sound clear. How are you looking on the ultrasound?
Just finishing the renal scan now. Looks healthy.
Applying the tag now, and scan.
Looks good, vitals are stable.
Next.
This detail here, is it acceptable? Yes, the density is perfect. Move it over.
See where the light hits the bevel on the prototype?
Yes, I'm refining that edge in the digital model now. It has to be seamless.
Next.
If we adjust the tapering slightly on this side, the light catches the polish much better,
giving it that ultra-realistic depth we discussed.
How are the tensile strengths looking on the current run?
All green so far. This one passes visual, moving to stress test.
Watch the corner there. Clear. Bring it down slow.
Next.
Bay 7, bring it straight back. You're good to go.
Next.
The craftsmanship on this comb is simply stunning.
And the reflections on these lenses are crystal clear.
To our successful products and the appreciation of our customers. Well done, team.